Well, I'm driving here in the car. I'm in my car and I'm driving right now. Man, tell you what, it is raining like a mother. Tell you something, I've never seen this much rain in my life. Now, I'm from Tejas, so I guess that doesn't surprise you. But boy, I can feel the tires just swirling right from under my side. Well, yeah. Here we go, around the bridge. Hello. Now, here we are driving our automobile to to nowhere really. We're getting lost. I don't know where I'm headed. I do know I'm on Highway 1, California 1, going in the direction of Fort Bragg, and we're just gonna see what comes our way. We were paid about $200 for the gig last night, and so that's gonna cover gasoline for the entire trip, and whatever's left after San Francisco, tell you what, that's going in my pocket. So anyway, we're gonna try to find a campsite, but god darn rain isn't letting up anytime soon. Tell you what, gosh darn it, this is pretty relentless. Yeah, there's a turnout, slow moving vehicle. Now this just opened up into the faster paced road, but boy, I tell you what, those 15 miles or so before this section were real tight twisty. Lots of fun, except I'm in a car and it's raining. Over and out, fellers.